To authorize a net webhook validation, you need to understand the basics of webhooks and how they work with the Authorize net system. A webhook is essentially a callback function that is triggered by a specific event. It allows your server to receive real-time notifications from Authorize net about events such as successful payments or failed transactions. Step 1 is to set up a webhook endpoint on your server. This endpoint will receive the webhook notifications from Authorize net. It should be a secure URL using HTTPS to prevent tampering with the data. Once you have set up your endpoint, you need to configure it in the Authorize net dashboard. This involves specifying the URL of your endpoint and the types of events you want to receive notifications for. When Authorize net sends a webhook notification to your endpoint, it includes a signature in the header of the request. This signature is used to validate the authenticity of the request. To validate the signature, you need to use the HMAC-SHA-512 algorithm and the signature key that is provided in the Authorize net dashboard. You should compare the expected signature with the signature included in the request. If they match, then the request is valid. It is also important to validate the contents of the request to ensure that it is genuine and not tampered with. You can do this by checking the event type and the data included in the request against the expected values. If everything checks out, then you can trust the request and take the necessary actions. Best practice is to always validate the signature and contents of the request. Never assume that a request is genuine without proper validation. Also, make sure to keep your signature key secure and do not expose it to unauthorized parties. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure secure and reliable webhook validation with Authorize net.